Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the laptop, plug into power and join a stable network so updates won't be interrupted. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Once there, click Check for updates to fetch Microsoft patches. Also open HP Support Assistant or System about to confirm your exact HP model. That helps if you need driver updates from HP. If a major feature update appears, choose a convenient time and then click Download to begin. You're now initiating the core update process. Once updates are listed, click Download and let files transfer. Large feature updates can take 20-90 minutes depending on speed and size. Make sure HP Support Assistant is running. It may list driver updates. Install those to keep hardware working smoothly. If Windows requests a restart, choose Restart Now for immediate installation or schedule for later to preserve work. Set active hours to avoid surprise reboots. Keep the laptop plugged in and do not shut the lid. Progress will show % complete and occasional automatic reboots. After installation, you'll see a confirmation or a prompt to sign in. Complete that and then verify by opening View Update History in Settings. If something fails, run Windows Update Troubleshooter and then check HP Support Assistant for driver conflicts. Reinstalling the latest drivers often fixes hardware issues. If the system becomes unstable, use Uninstall Updates or System Restore to roll back to the previous state. Make sure to note the update KB number. It helps when searching for specific fixes or support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.